Welcome to my class, 8th class students. Today we learn about graphical representation of grouped frequency distribution, that is interpretation of histogram. Interpretation of histogram. Definition of histogram. Histogram is a graphical representation of frequency distribution of exclusive class intervals. Exclusive class intervals. When the class intervals in a grouped frequency distribution are varying, we need to construct rectangles in histogram on the basis of frequency density. Formula of frequency density is frequency of class into least class length in the data all by length of that class. Length of that class. You see histogram. We represent on x-axis class intervals, on y-axis frequency. First, you observe the table. Class interval marks frequency number of students 0 to 10, 10 to 20. 10 upper boundary, this class lower boundary. This is exclusive class intervals. Exclusive class intervals. 0 to 10. Number of students 3. You see 0 to 10, 3. On x-axis scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 class interval. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to students. Textbook page number 169. You see the graph in textbook 169 page number. Okay. 0 to 10. Number of students is equal to 3. You see 3. 10 to 20. 5. You observed and understand. 20 to 30, 9, between 8 and 10, that is equal to 9. Okay. 30 to 40, 10. You see. 40 to 50, 15. 15 is midpoint of 14 and 16. 14 and 16. This is 14, that is 16. Midpoint is 15. Okay, next. 50 to 60 is 19. 60 to 90, 70 is 13. 13 is midpoint of 12 to 14. Next. 70 to 80 is 13. 13 is the midpoint of 12 to 14. Okay. Next, 80 to 90, 9. 9 is the midpoint of 8 and 10. 90 to 100, 6. Okay, you say the 6. First, you will observe the table and after that, you will observe the graph. How many bars are there in the graph? How many bars are there in the graph? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. There are 10 bars representing frequencies of 10 class intervals. Next question. In what portion the height of the bars are drawn? heights of the bars are proportional to the frequencies. Proportional to the frequencies. Third question. Width of all bars is same. What may be the reason? Width of all bars is same. What may be the reason? You say width of bars is same. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 10 to 30, 20 to 30. Okay. Width of the bars is same because width represents the class interval. 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Okay. Class interval. Particularly in this example, length of all classes, class intervals is same. Next question. Shall we interchange any two bars of the graph? Shall we interchange any two bars of the graph? As it is representing a continuous series with exclusive class intervals. Exclusive. First class interval. Upper limit 10. Second class interval lower limit 10. That is continuous series. We cannot interchange any two bars. We cannot interchange any two bars. Okay. These are questions. These are answers. From the graph you might have understood that 4 questions and 4 answers. You will see and observe. Tomorrow's homework. Observe the adjacent histogram and answer the following questions. You say duration of watching TV, hours, number of students on y-axis, on x-axis duration of watching TV. Textbook page number 169. What information is being represented in the histogram? Which group contains maximum number of students? How many students watch TV for 5 hours or more? How many students are served in total? You will observe the graph and answer the following questions. Okay.